Long ago, there was a clever man by the name of Bartelby O'Boyle as a boy. He was kept as a slave by the royal family. He saw other children play, but he always had to work. This frustrated him very much. But he was not stupid, and he wanted to change things. Then one day there was a struggle for authority in the kingdom. There was a division of the people, and one group fought against another group to see which would govern the kingdom. There was disorder in the kingdom. Bartelby ran away. He saw much fighting and destruction. Many people had nothing to eat. Bartelby decided to aid them. He would help them get food, but how? Bartelby went to the capital to find an answer. There he met a man named Gilliam. A group of men attempted to hurt Gilliam. Bartelby defended him. Then he gave Gilliam some food to relieve his hunger. After that, the two became friends. They took food from the rich and gave it to the poor. Soon other people cooperated with them. Working together enabled them to take more food. But they only took food from people who had plenty, and they always gave it to those who had none. Because of this, Bartelby gained a reputation across the kingdom. Even today, many people admire him for helping the poor.
Subscribe.